Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without cropping in a simple and effective way. If your photo doesn't fit the square format, don't worry. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download the PhotoGrid app from the Google Play Store and install it on your phone, as this app helps adjust photos to the required format without cutting any part. Step 2. Open the PhotoGrid app and tap on Start, which takes you to the main workspace where editing options are available. Step 3. Tap on Edit and allow the required permissions so the app can access your gallery and media files. Step 4. Select the photo you want to use as your WhatsApp profile picture from your gallery. Choosing the correct photo ensures you upload the exact image you want without cropping. Step 5. If a watermark appears on the image, remove it, as PhotoGrid allows you to remove it once for free. Step 6. Scroll down in the editing options and tap on Blur, which blurs the background while keeping the photo in a perfect 1.1 square format. Step 7. Adjust the blur level from 0 to 100 based on how soft or strong you want the background to look. Step 8. Tap on Save when you are satisfied, choose the highest resolution available, and select PNG format to maintain image quality. Saving in PNG is important because it does not reduce the clarity of the photo. Step 9. Open WhatsApp, go to your profile picture settings, tap on Gallery, and select the saved image to upload it without cropping. You'll now see your full photo displayed perfectly as your profile picture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials like this.